at the nearest tables. My men will have whatever you're serving these people. Double portions. We've had a long, hard ride. I'll take a roast fowl, chicken, duck, pigeon, it makes no matter. And send up a flagon of your best wine. Yaren, will you sup with me? Aye, my lord, I will, the black brother replied.
Turn left on East Haven
The
Street.
dwarf had not so much as glanced toward the far end of the room, and Catherine was thinking how grateful she was for the crowded benches between them, when suddenly Marillion bounded to his feet. My lord of Lannister, he called out, I would be pleased to entertain you while you eat. Let me sing you the lay of your father's great victory at King's Landing. Nothing would be more likely to ruin my
Turn
supper,
left on
the
East
dwarf said
Lake
dryly.
Drive.
His mismatched eyes considered the singer briefly, started to move away, and found Catherine. He looked at her for a moment, puzzled. She turned her face away, but too late. The dwarf was smiling. Ladies? Ah, oh, what an unexpected pleasure, he said. I was sorry to miss you at Winterfell.
In 1/4
Marillion gazed at her,
mile, turn left
confusion
on East
giving way to
Atlantic Street.
chagrin, as Catherine rose slowly to her feet. She heard Sir Roderick curse. If only the man had lingered at the wall, she thought, if only.
Not splash this poor guy, poor lady.
Turn left on East Atlantic Street.
Woman, I know where I'm going. Admiral View. Wow, that was something else.
Turn left on East Arswood Street.
What the hell did I hit? Oh my god. Oh, that's good. Tires. I could have got tires all the time.
1/4 mile, turn left on East Ocean Bay Boulevard, then take the second right.
No. I will not be doing that. Whoa, 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 whoa. It will be hitting that hard though. Now that should clean up the mud. That was a good shot right there.
Turn left on East Ocean Bay Boulevard, then take the second right.
Can we go any faster?
Turn left on Sutton Avenue.
I can't see. Not listening.
Turn left on Ferris Avenue. Minnetonka Drive. Turn left on East Landing Drive. In 1/4 mile, turn left on East 3rd Street.
And that is why you own a Jeep.
Turn left on East 3rd Street.
I can't, fucking. Holy shit. am good.
Turn left on East Arch Street.
I'm really with the tires.
Turn left on East Tadeway Road, then take the third right.
You're just not happy that I'm going straight on these roads all the time. You were just not happy. Yeah, I got her. Looks like I got her.
Patricia Heddle said thickly. I was still Catelyn Tully the last time I bedded here, she told the innkeeper. She could hear the muttering, feel the eyes upon her. Catelyn glanced around the room at the faces of the knights and sworn swords, took a deep breath to slow the frantic beating of her heart. Did she dare take the risk? There was no time to think it through. Only the moment and the sound of her own voice ringing in her ears. You in the corner, she said to an older man she had not noticed until now. Is that the black bat of Harrenhal I see embroidered on your surcoat, sir? The man got to his feet. It is, my lady. And his lady went, a true and honest friend to my father, Lord Huster Tully of Riverrun? She is, the man replied stoutly. Sir Roderick rose quietly and loosened his sword in its scabbard. The dwarf was blinking at them, blank-faced, with puzzlement in his mismatched eyes. The red stallion was ever a welcome sight at Riverrun, she said to the trio by the fire. My father counts Jonas Bracken amongst his oldest and most loyal bannermen. The three men-at-arms exchanged uncertain looks. Our lord is honoured by his trust, one of them said.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on West Kitty Hawk Road, then take the second right.
Lannister quipped, but I do not quite see the purpose of this lady's guard. She ignored him, turning to the large party in blue and grey. They were the heart of the matter. There were more than 20 of them. I know your sigil as well, the Twin Towers of Frey. How fares your good lord?
Turn left on West Kitty Hawk Road, then take the second right.
Lady. He promises to take a new wife on his 90th name day, and has asked your lord father to honour the wedding with his presence. Tyrion Lannister sniggered. That was when Catelyn knew he was hers. This man came as a guest into my house, and there conspired to murder my son, a boy of 7. She proclaimed to the room at large, pointing. Sir Roderick moved to her side, his sword in hand.
1/2 mile,
In
turn
the name
left
of
on
King
East
Robert
Valjean Street.
and the good lord you serve, I call upon you to seize him and help me return him to Winterfell to await the king's justice. She did not know what was more satisfying, the sound of a dozen swords drawn as one, or